I will explain 5 water treatment methods you can use to improve the quality and safety of the water you drink. Water treatment improves water quality and reduces the risk of waterborne illness. Filtration is a low-cost water treatment method that uses a barrier to block mud and other impurities, allowing the purified water to pass through a granite, charcoal, ceramic, clay, or sand filter. If you do not have a filter, you can use a cloth to remove any particles in the water. The cloth filtration method will only improve the clarity of the water. It will not guarantee that it is safe to drink. Therefore, the cloth method must be combined with other methods such as boiling and chlorine treatments. Another method is sedimentation. This method uses gravity to separate large suspended particles in water. To do this, pour water into a jug, set it aside and let gravity work. An example of this method is the 3-pot sedimentation. In this process, 3 different containers are used. Start by filling the first container with water and letting it rest for 1 day. On the next day, slowly pour water stored in container 1 into container 2, being careful not to disturb the sediments on the bottom of container 1. Let container 2 rest for the day. On the 3rd day, slowly pour the water from container 2 to container 3. On the 3rd day, you will see a significant improvement in the appearance and color of the water. You should only take water from container 3. Sedimentation only improves the water, but it does not remove microorganisms. Therefore, you must combine it with another treatment method that does remove microorganisms, such as boiling the water or using chlorine. Boiling is one of the simplest and most common water treatment methods that kills microorganisms. Water should be boiled for at least 1 minute and as long as 3 minutes. If you do not like how boiled water tastes, you can improve the taste by pouring the boiled water from one container to another and letting it rest for a few hours. You can also add a pinch of salt to each liter of boiled water to improve the taste. Chlorine treats water quickly by killing microorganisms. You can make small quantities of safe drinking water using common unscented liquid household bleach. Follow the instructions on the bleach bottle label for disinfecting drinking water. If the label doesn't have instructions, add 2 drops of liquid bleach per liter of water. Then mix thoroughly and let it stand for 30 minutes before using. Water should have a slight chlorine odor. If not, add 1 more drop of liquid bleach. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun can also be used to kill microorganisms. Suspended particles can shield pathogens from the beneficial effect of radiation water treatment. Therefore, you must first filter the water before using this method. Once the water is filtered, pour the water into clean plastic bottles. The bottles must be clear and transparent so that the sun's ultraviolet light passes through the plastic and kills pathogens. Let the bottles rest under the sun for 6 hours if it is sunny, or 2 days if it is cloudy. A dark surface absorbs more solar radiation than a lighter one, so put the bottles on a dark surface to help the sun's rays disinfect the water more effectively. The method or combination of methods you choose to treat water will depend on available resources and what is in the water. It is a good idea to use one method to remove impurities, such as filtration or sedimentation, and combine it with a second method that kills microorganisms, such as boiling, chlorine, or ultraviolet light. Increasing water availability through boreholes, wells, or other methods is critical to improving access to water, but none of those guarantee that the water drawn from them is safe to drink. Treating water will improve water quality, prevent waterborne illnesses, and help keep you and your community stay healthy.